Hello and welcome back, everyone. If your contact names are missing on your Android device, today we are going to fix it in our incoming calls. So let's just dive right into the solutions for that without any delay. So the first thing we can do is we can just go ahead and check the phone app permissions. So you can find the phone application on your device. After that, press and hold the app and a option appears. You can go ahead and tap on app info or info at the top right. And once you tap on it, you can navigate to permissions and select contacts. Scroll down or you can find the option for permissions directly on the very notifications right below notifications. So tap on it, and once you find permissions, you need to go ahead and give access for contacts. So tap on contacts, and if it is on don't allow, you're going to go ahead and tap on allow the first option, and that will allow the application for accessing contacts to display their names on your phone app. Apart from that, what we can do is we can clear the cache and cookies for our phone app. So you can head over, find the phone app again, hold it up, and go to app info once again. Once you go over there, you can just go ahead and scroll down through the given options and find storage and tap on it. And from there, just go ahead and tap on clear cache and also clear data if necessary. And that should clear the corrupted cache files that is causing the phone application to malfunction. Apart from that, what we can do is you can just go open up the contacts application on your device. And then once you open up your contact app, you can go ahead and look out for the menu in the top left corner of your screen and tap on it. Like this right here. And from here, go ahead and tap on the settings icon and open up the settings. And once you open up the settings, you can just go ahead and turn these options right here, such as show frequently contacted. Enable this option and it will show who you've contacted frequently in the last 30 days. You can short out the contact's name as well. And you can just go ahead and turn these options like show third party options or customization service as well. That will customize you and ensure if there's any option such as display all contacts, you can just go ahead and ensure that option is selected. Apart from that, you can update your phones and application. Long press on your power button for that and restart your phone. Also, restarting your phone, and you can also update your phones and app. So what you can do is you can go ahead and look out for the phones app or any app and you can update it. And that way you can just go ahead and fix the issue that is causing the malfunction on your device. So those are the solutions you can try out. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and solutions.